Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n cubed plus n square is equal to 810, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can focus on the right hand side, and here you have 810, and I can write this 810 as 81 times of 10. After this step we have 81, so we can write it as 9 square plus, we can write times multiply, we have 10 and we write it as 9 plus 1. After that we will multiply this 9 square on both of the terms, and you get 9 cubed plus 9 square. So now we replace this 810 by 9 cubed plus 9 square, so that this given expression will be written as n cubed plus n squared is equals to, we can replace this n9 cubed plus 9 square. After that we will make the pair of cubic terms and the square term, so that we move all the terms from right hand side in the left hand side, and we can write it as n cubed minus 9 cubed plus, here you have n square, and when we move 9 square in the left hand side you get minus 9 square is equals to 0. And after that we will use here the nice cubic and square formula, and you know about the cubic formula. Here we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, we will apply the another formula, which is a squared minus b squared, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use these two formulas. So now first I can apply the cubic formula in the cubic term, so that we will get the remaining term in the form of n minus 9 times of n squared plus 9n plus 9 square, plus here we have n square minus 9 square, and we will apply the square formula, which is in the form of n minus 9 times of n plus 9, and whole is equal to 0. After that you will focus on both of the terms, and you see that n minus 9 will be common term, so that we take it and we get n minus 9 times of n squared plus 9n, plus here you have 9 square, which is equals to 81, and here we take common n minus 9 and you get plus n plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we will simplify the terms, and you get n minus 9 times of n squared plus, here you have 9n plus n, so it is equals to 10n, and we have 81 plus 9, it is equals to 90, and whole is equals to 0. So now here we have two cases. The first case is we take n minus 9 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take n square plus 10n plus 90 is equal to 0. So in the first term, here you get the value of n is 9. So this is the first root of the given equation. So in order to find the other real roots, we need to solve this expression. And now because here we need only real roots, so that I can solve this problem, first checking this quadratic equation has real roots or quadratic by using the discriminant formula. So that for discriminant we need a, b and c. So here you have the value of a is 1, the value of b is 10, and the value of c is 90, and the discriminant formula is, which is delta is equals to b square minus 4 times of ac. So first I will little bit explain the discriminant. You know that if the value of this discriminant is less than 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has no real roots. And if this quadratic equation, this discriminant formula is greater than 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has two real roots. And similarly, if this delta is equals to 0, then we can say that this quadratic equation has one real root. So now first I can check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b and c, so that we get the output of delta in the form of, here you have b square, the value of b is 10 square, and minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 90. So now we simplify the terms and you get 10 square is equals to 100, minus 4 times of 9 is 360. So now when we subtract these two terms, so you get minus 260. So here you see that our delta is minus 260 is less than 0. So if this discriminant is less than 0, then we say that it has no real roots. So that we can just finally state about this is no real root. So if it is no real roots, then we will rejected this case, and we can just have the only one solution of the given equation, which is n is equals to 9. So this is the our one solution. So now in order to check this solution, is this solution satisfies the given question or not, so that our given question statement is n cubed plus n square is equals to 810. And now we just put the values of n in this equation, so that you get 9 cubed plus 9 squared is equals to 810. And here we have 9 cube, so 9 cube is equals to 729, plus you have 9 square, it is equals to 81, and whole is equals to 810. So when you add 729 plus 81, so it is equals to 810. So that you finally say that 810 is equals to 810. So this expression shows that n is equal to 9 will satisfy this equation. So n is equal to 9 be the only solution of this equation. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.